President. Some of my responsibilities include conducting and maintaining order in the meetings. I also help Veronica with any teen programs. I help organize events and parties for the teens, as well as doing my best to make sure TLC is a safe and great environment to be at.
Hi, I'm Mariah Leonard. I'm the Vice President of the Teen Library Council. My jobs are to help the President, the Secretary, keep up with the attendance, help with fundraising, and find ways to do public affairs.
My name is JD, and I'm the Secretary of the Teen Library Council, and some of my jobs include keeping a log of the current members, sending out the meeting reminders, and knowing the government of the Teen Library Council.